Hi, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika. So today we are going to show you guys all the essentials that you need for the perfect, complete foyer entry. So what would you say are the top things that you need for entry?
Definitely a rug.
Yes.
A console.
Yes.
Reflective surfaces. I love putting a mirror.
A mirror,
in the foyer.
yes. Mirrors are great, and also artwork. If you have the space to put both, excellent.
Absolutely.
Lighting.
And of course, a cherry on top is accessories.
Yep. So we're going to show you how to put all those things together to create a complete, beautiful entry.
Let's go.
So we already went ahead and pre-rolled our rugs with a rug pad. It's very important to add a rug pad when placing a rug because it keeps it in place.
Our rugs are already in place, so we're gonna put the console in place. The console is a great anchor for the foyer.
I love these mirrors. We're using a sequence of 3 mirrors, and they're decorative mirrors, so this way they serve the purpose of both a mirror and artwork.
Next, we're going to add these beautiful lamps. They have a nice champagne finish on them with a white linen shade.
So just that simple. We went ahead and added in our beautiful lamps.
Then we added in these beautiful orange containers, and it also has a really nice brass accent at the bottom.
I love it. And then always adding in a touch of nature is always great.
Always great.
We love this piece because it brings in the fresh white and then also the beautiful botanicals and brings in that brass again from the mirrors.
Yes, and don't forget about your bottom shelf. So here we added in a really nice carved wood bowl with some really nice textured silver balls. To pull back in the silver from the hardware. So don't be afraid to mix your metal.
Yes.
As you can see, we have silver, we have antique gold, we have champagne, we have like an oil rub gold with a patina over it. So don't be afraid to add in different metals and texture. It plays really nice in the space.
I think so too.
Yes.
And then we can't forget our little poofs on the side, which are excellent for when you're coming in or leaving to put your shoes on or take your shoes off.
It's always good to have a place to rest just as you come in through the door. Especially for the little ones and older ones.
So thank you so much for joining us in our entryway makeover, and stay tuned. We're gonna do this over. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope that this was helpful. Feel free to leave your comments below, ask us any questions, and we'll see you next time.